Belmont Resources is pleased to announce a new mineral resource estimate from the Lone Star Copper-Gold Project, situated in the Republic Mining Camp of Washington State. Indicated resources are estimated at 9.7 million tons at 0.62% copper equivalent, and inferred resources at 3.5 million tons at 0.45% copper equivalent. The Lone Star is part of a group of claims owned by Belmont, which are situated in one of the most prolific mining districts in British Columbia and Washington State. Over 30 past-producing mines in this region produced over 3 million ounces of gold and over 600 million pounds of copper. The most notable mine was the Phoenix Mine, which produced 500 million pounds of copper and 1 million ounces of gold. The Phoenix Mine operated up to 1978. Belmont acquired the Lone Star property in July of 2021. The Lone Star had over 250 holes drilled, totaling over 23,000 meters of drilling. The project has a 2007 historic resource. In November 2021, Belmont signed an option JV agreement with Marque Resources, which trades on the Australian exchange under the symbol ASX, MQR. Marque has an option of earning up to 80% of the Lone Star project under the following terms: $500,000 cash payments, $2,500,000 work program, 3 million MQR shares, produce a preliminary economic assessment on the project, all within a 24-month term, for 80% ownership of the Lone Star project. Upon completion, a joint venture is to be formed and a decision will be made in regards to bringing the Lone Star into production. In November 2021, Marque immediately started a 7,000-meter drill program. The program was completed in June 2022 for a total of 7,800 meters. In October 2022, Belmont and Marque announced a new resource estimate of 9.7 million tons at 0.62% copper equivalent and an inferred mineral resource of 3.5 million tons at 0.45% copper equivalent. The mineral resource is reported inside of a conceptual pit shell at an internal cutoff grade of 0.112% copper equivalent. The independently estimated mineral resource extends from surface and remains open at depth. Within the global mineral resource sits a high-grade portion of 1.1 million tons at 2.05% copper equivalent. Pit optimization studies highlight attractive open-pit mining scenarios with the underground potential to be tested, with further drilling to commence in December. High-grade mineralization is open at depth and will be targeted to test for potential extensions and underground resources. Belmont Resources has assembled a portfolio of highly prospective copper, gold, lithium, and uranium projects in North America. Its holdings include the 100% owned Crackingstone Uranium Project, the 100% owned CBC Copper Gold Project, the 100% owned AJ Gold Project, the optioned out Lone Star Copper Gold Project, and the optioned out Kibbe Basin Lithium Project.